She is a female beagle baby and she has come with her mother. They all love to get cuddles. It's pretty cold in Kolkata today, as you can see, and I catch cold very quickly. Especially I get this side. That's a mom. That's a mom, Rosie, and she is a daughter. So both have come to my creche. Rosie, come here. Rosie. Rosie. Rosie, come here. Rosie and her daughter. They love to be on the bed. Obviously it's cold. Very obvious. Both love to see the outer world. And I have a good time with them. Look at her, what she's doing. कुछ भी करते हैं ये लोग. They are just bundle of sweetness, cuteness. And one of them is there. It's little foggy today. Kolkata has a foggy climate today.